I feel like you had something to say last week. I didn't give you a chance to respond. But before responding, I want to find out from you, why did you pick Godessa to go into the lounge with you?
I just wanted to see what would happen.
And
I wanted to see where her head was at.
In what way? Because it seems like you know where her head is. That seemed like a sure move. Feels like Araga is the one who's the outsider here, so I don't know. What's really going on with you and her?
I mean, we're friends. We're getting to know each other. And we haven't really had, we don't talk as much as we'd like to, but we're still getting to know each other.
Seems like more than getting to know, but I'll be back. What's going on with you and Sheba? I've lost track of the back and forths, you know.
I like Sheba. I think she's an amazing woman, right? And, but I have my own issues, right? So, but in her case, I know she has a man outside, right? But I don't want to do too much. I'm just trying to get to know her and...
yeah, you don't want to do too much. I mean, you've attempted, but...
I have.
Exactly.
I think she's trying to be safe. Well, I'm not. Like, I'm down for whatever.
So you are not stopping?
I think I want to stop sometimes, but when I look at her every day, I'm like, maybe I should go again.
Go. Tell me what's really the issue with this Tim Kem situation and why it's gotten to you so much. Because you've had a lot to say to a lot of your housemates about her.
When she came to me and told me that she kissed Ram, it was, what I heard, it was disappointment. That's just it.
How far did you guys go?
We didn't go far, but I was trying to settle in to, like, get to know her more. I think within that time space, I was actually trying to, like, maybe, let me give it a shot. You feel me? So the next news I had was, I kissed someone. So it was really, really disappointing.
Do you feel like you took too much time to get there? Because I think it was Stram who said yesterday, why didn't you have fun when it was your turn?
The thing is, I'm not that kind of person. I don't just meet people and then try to engage with them in maybe in intimate positions like cuddling, because I see cuddling like an intimate position.
Yusuf has insisted quite a bit to a lot of the other housemates that nothing intimate has happened between the both of you. You, on the other hand, have said, in fact, I think to quote you, you said something like, Mommy, please mute your he entered me.
I used to joke like that. I'll say, you want to enter.
And you even used, you used the F word to describe what happened.
I used to joke a lot with him.
So you were not talking to him.
True.
So what happened? What's happening with both of you is what I just want to know.
I have never said he did nothing with me. But
Bells.
I have never said nothing.
Bells.
Bells what?
Ebuka.
Yes.
It has happened.
Ha! Yusuf!
Okay. So, Bells, why are you stammering now? You are the one that said it before.
I didn't say no, I was joking about it. Yusuf, I was joking.
So, Yusuf, why didn't you want to admit it before now?
Then it did not happen.
It didn't happen.
Oh, like this just now?
Yeah, very recent.